Good morning. My name is Samhita Palladi and I'm a student of grade 12 Pallavi Model School. I'm a student of MPC and I have scored 97.2% in my CBSE board exams. I would like to express my gratitude to the principal, management, faculty, and of course my family. I could not have done this without them. The academic environment provided to us here was stimulating and it made learning an enjoyable experience for me and all my peers. Through interactive classes and our hands on experience at our various labs, like the physics lab and the chemistry lab, we were able to get a deeper understanding of the subjects. Our teachers provided us with endless guidance, whether in the classroom or outside it. If we were ever feeling down or stressed, they were the first ones to console us. Our well being mattered to them, physical and mental. They made sure we were never feeling pressured or stressed out because of exams. Instead, they made us realize that exams are just a part of showing how much we have learned, and they've helped us become stronger. We are now ready to face all kinds of challenges that we will find outside school. And I'd like to thank my family for all their support. I couldn't have done this without them. Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am. Actually, thank you to the school, first of all. I can say, it's parents can take over the school and teachers play a very good role, I can say. As a parent, we just used to send to school, but principal, ma'am, and faculty, teachers, and everybody, when she didn't go to school, they called and inquired about her health, how she's doing, and all those things. And the personal care, they put a lot on the each and every student. Thank you to the Pallavi School, principal, ma'am, teachers, and everybody.
I'm Rutik Joshi. I'm a grade 12 student of Pallavi Model School, Alwal. I scored 94.8% in boards. I thank the teachers, principal, and the school management for helping me prepare for my boards. They consistently give me worksheets to prepare for my exam. They clarified doubts whenever I asked them, even though it was late night. And next, especially the practicals was the most important, interesting point. The teachers conducted many mock practicals so that I could feel very easy during the real ones. And not only academics, but the sports were very interesting here. They helped me reduce my stress and they created a fun time here. And next, I suggest my juniors to consistently put their efforts so that they could score a good percentage in boards. And thank you.
Hi, my son is studying in the UMS Model School, Alwal branch. What he has is teachers using to they created a WhatsApp group. They created a WhatsApp group, and each individual students daily they are sending the worksheets and follow up, doing the follow up how their students are doing like that. And any doubts, the clarifications they are giving immediately as soon as they put very efforts. I met so many times principal ma'am also. She so humble and she received very warmly. And I'm glad to that my student is studying in a PMS model always.
A very warm namaste. I'm Harshpreet Kaur Sandhu and I secured 92.4% in my 12th board exams. I am from humanities stream. I would just want to thank my teachers and the faculty to help me secure this grade. What makes this school special for me is that I've been studying here for a lot of years. And something I can say out of experience is that the school has a lot more to offer than academics, be it co-curricular activities or taking part in sports. The school has always focused in all-round development. So if you wish to join the school, it will really help you build your personality to step into the real world.
Hi, my name is Atender Singh. I am the parent of Harshpreet Kaur. First of all, I would like to thank the school for the overall development they do for the children. So it's not just about academics, but I see that they participate in a lot of extracurricular activities like going out in inter-schools where they build their confidence. It's not just about studying, but building your personality. So Pallavi has helped my children build their personalities, which will really help them in their future when they go out and present themselves. So I would, last but not the least, I would like to thank the management for also taking all the good initiatives. Continue doing that. Thank you very much.
Namaste to one and all present here. I am Gurpreet Singh Sandhu, student of grade 12 of Pallavi Model School, Alwal. I have secured 90.4%, and so all the credit goes to principal ma'am, the incredible teachers, the faculty, and the management. Their constant support, encouragement, and tireless commitment is the result what I've achieved today. So a big thank you to them. They didn't just teach from the books. They inspired me to think out of the box, how things actually work in the environment. So big thank you to them. They helped me to They helped me to make a bigger person out of me. In 10th class, I was not that a great student, but after that, the holistic development of the school helped me to open up and take opportunities. And I'm a good student now. So thank you to them. And a special mention to Maninder ma'am, my first teacher. She used to taught me. She taught me everything till now. So a special thank you to them and my mother. They are the reason I'm here. And a small fun incident I would like to share. At the PTM, my accounts teacher Prashanti ma'am always used to tell my mother, "ये कर लेगा ma'am, ये कर लेगा." And my mother gave me a weird expression, "क्या कर लेगा? Marks तो आ नहीं रहे हैं." At the time of preparation, I thought, ये भी हो रहा है, ये भी हो रहा है. जब result आ रहा है, ये क्या हो रहा है? So that word still stayed with me, and I scored good percentage in accounts and rest of the subjects. So suggestion for the juniors: this school is the best environment. It gives you a whole bunch of all activities, co-curricular activities, sports, and a blend of everything. Thank you so much.
My name is Adira Chatnath and I'm from Pallavi Model School, Alwal. I chose humanities stream and I've secured 91.8%. My journey in the school started when I was in UKG, so it's fair enough to say that I've grown with the school. And a suggestion for the juniors would be the school is really, it focuses on holistic development. So I've got a lot of opportunities to, for personality development. So yeah, that would be a suggestion that not just to focus on academics, also focus on other co-curricular activities. And I'm really thankful not just to my teachers in the 12th grade, 11th grade, all of my teachers starting from UKG. They've taught me, they've nurtured me. So big thanks to them. And of course, a big thanks to my mama. She's always been there through my tough times. Even when I've scored terrible in economics, she's always been there for me. So yeah, thank you.
Thank you. I love you. Namaste. My name is Reshma Chatnath, mother of Aditya Chatnath of grade 12 Science and Adira Chatnath of grade 12 Humanities. I'm blessed with twins. And my association with Pallavi Model School is from, like she said, kindergarten. My children have grown here from kindergarten to 12. They were here. And I thank the management, teaching, supporting staff, all the teachers. They have been incredibly good with all the students, irrespective of the toppers or the so-called toppers of the class. I mean, they don't differentiate. They try to bring in the best from each and every child. Like Vidya ma'am was mentioning, holistic development is the only thing which they concentrate on, and it has done wonders. You all can see the result. My sincere gratitude to the chairman who has come up with this beautiful branch, Alwal branch, which has been very convenient for parents like us. And thank you, and gratitude cannot be expressed in words. Thank you to each and every one of PMS Alwal.
My name is Gena and I have scored 90%, 90.4% in CBSE board. My suggestion for all students is just receiving help from others, whether it's students, teachers, or even friends. I'm very grateful for my teacher, peers, and my family. Thank you.
Congratulations, Pallavi Model School, Alwal branch. Congratulations. అంటే మై एक्सपीरियंस बोले तो शी इज़ ए सेल्फ स्टडी एंड टीचर्स के सपोर्ट के साथ ही वो स्कोर करी इतना, नो ट्यूशन्स. థ్యాంక్ యూ.
అందరికీ నమస్కారం. నా పేరు విద్యారావు, ప్రిన్సిపల్ ఆఫ్ పల్లవి మోడల్ స్కూల్ అల్వాల్ బ్రాంచ్. ఈరోజు మాకు ఎంత ఆనందంగా ఉందంటే మా స్టూడెంట్స్ అందరూ గ్రేడ్ 10th 12th సిబిఎస్ఈ ఎగ్జామ్స్లో చాలా బాగా రాసి మంచి రిజల్ట్ తీసుకొచ్చారు. దీనికి నేను పూర్తి క్రెడిట్ మాకు ఫుల్ సపోర్ట్ ఇచ్చిన మా చైర్మన్స్ గారు కుమరయ్య గారికి, అండ్ దెన్ మా సిఇఓ మిస్టర్ యశస్వి, అండ్ దెన్ ఆర్ అకాడమిక్ డైరెక్టర్ డాక్టర్ టి సుధా. వీళ్ళందరితో పాటు మా టీమ్ మెంబర్స్, మా టీచర్స్ అందరూ కూడా రోజు పిల్లల్ని మానిటర్ చేస్తూ వాళ్ళని చక్కగా గైడ్ చేస్తూ ఎగ్జామ్ ప్రెషర్ లేకుండా, స్ట్రెస్ లేకుండా ఎగ్జామ్స్ ఎలా రాయాలి, ఎంత బాగా రాస్తే, ఎంత బాగా వాళ్ళు ప్రజెంట్ చేస్తే కనుక మంచి మార్క్స్ రావాలని వాళ్ళని గైడ్ చేసినందుకు అందరికీ నా ధన్యవాదాలు. అండ్ ఐ వుడ్ లైక్ టు థ్యాంక్ ఆల్ మై స్టూడెంట్స్, and each and every parent for their constant support and guidance. And I would like to thank all my team members for the extraordinary results where Alwal branch has created. And to continue with the legacy, some of our students have scored centums, especially in mathematics, science, PE, IP, all the subjects. Students have scored centums. And I would like to thank our chairman, sir, Kumaraya Garu, and our CEO, Yashashvi, and then Dr. T. Sudha, our executive director. Thank you so much. A very warm namaste to each and everyone. I'm Vidyadhari Rao, principal of Pallavi Model School, Alwal branch. Would like to congratulate all our students, parents, and teachers for the extraordinary results. In grade 12th, we have scored 97.2% highest and set an example. And in the grade 10th, we have scored 98.6 percentage, and we have recreated the history. And thank you so much for the teachers who are working tirelessly to get the results. And this year, very happy to announce that 100% pass result in grade 10th and 12th. Thank you, Chairman Sir, for trusting us and giving the responsibility and freedom to take a decision and to conduct the exams in such a way which has proved us right. Thank you so much, sir. And thank you, Yashashvi sir, and thank you, Sudha ma'am, for your constant support and guidance. And thank you, my team members, my vice principal and my senior HM, junior HM, and pre-primary in charge, who were there with me and constant support and guiding. Thank you each and everybody for the extraordinary results. Thank you.